friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Shandestria and I'm back with another hairstyle video. So today I am going to attempt to do these so-called pop smoke braids. These braids have actually become really popular, I guess because of the artist Pop Smoke. I don't really know who he is, but I like the braids. And I would actually wear my hair in like weird type plaits anyway, as just my natural hair. So I just really like this look. I think it looks really clean and it's really simple. So I just want to try to create that to wear in my hair probably for maybe a week or so. I have already, as you can see, blown out my hair, because anytime I add weave to my hair, I have to blow my hair out. I don't know how to tuck my hair under the weave, so I just like to have my hair blown out. It's easier to part and manage. So yeah, this is my hair. I am going to have to go and part my hair to make sure I get some nice clean parts in this head. I think I'm going to do maybe 4 or 5 plaits on each side. Let's go ahead and get this hair parted and I will be back to start my first braid. Alright y'all, I am back. I have my hair sectioned off. I say it took me maybe 30 to 45 minutes to get my parts because I wanted them to be straight. So this is my this is my hair. I don't know if you can see the parts because these twists are pretty thick, but y'all, I think I just found me a new style because look, these twists so pretty. They are so pretty. I just have to find a way to hold them. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I went through and put like jam in my parts, in between my parts to clean my parts up. And then I have a little edge control that I will just use like for the ends of my hair because I really don't care to use edge control, honestly. And then I have my hair, well, some of my hair already pre-sectioned. So y'all, let's try to do something with this. am loving this look. Let me turn around. In the process of me doing these braids, I actually learned how to add hair into this part. So like each of these I add, man, it's so pretty. Each of these I added hair onto the bottom. Only thing with that is I did not remember exactly where I added it at and how many I added on each one, because I wanted it to keep its fullness. So some of my braids were like really, really long. And then you know also that you can't really cut just a braid because then it'll unravel. Or not that I know how to do it. So I couldn't dip the hair. I couldn't cut the hair. So I actually had some beads here that I got that I used in one of my other videos, and I put beads on the bottom, my little triangle beads. Next time I think I will just not add hair like at this end until I figure out actually how to do it. But let me show you guys. Is that not cute? This is so pretty, like, and they're neat. I have a little fuzzies here, so I'm gonna go dip my hair because I already tried to cut it and it's still doing what it's doing. So I'm just gonna go dip it with the beads on there and all. I think they'll be okay. If not, they will dry. With this hairstyle, I only watched one tutorial and it was pretty simple. If you can braid to the scalp and you know how to actually feed and weave into your hair, then I think, you know, anybody can do it. Just the whole concept of, okay, well, let me figure out which way I need to turn my head. When I did this first one here, I was backwards, so I was feeding in hair from the left side and it was actually throwing me off. So then on the rest of them, I ended up feeding in from like using just my right hand and feeding it in with my right hand, and then it came pretty much natural. But I think all of them look good. I can say I think I did a good job on these. They may be a little crooked. My parts were not as straight as I thought they were, only because when I'm braiding, I can't see, so I'm just used to going off of just feeling like where I had my part set. With me basically using the jam to like grease down my part and try to repart it straight, which gives me a better, cleaner part. In the process of me braiding, I felt myself like gripping way over to, like, if I was on this braid, I was probably like gripping over to this one. But I mean, none of my parts are like, oh my gosh, you parted your hair blind or something like that. Like, I think I did a pretty good job between me and the mirror. So I wasn't exactly counting on how many pieces of hair, how many strands of hair that I was actually feeding in. I was just going until I felt like a pretty good thickness that would leave my hair like thick once I came off of the scalp. And then once I got here, I kind of started to feel it thin, so then I added another piece of hair. And this was literally my first time adding hair at the end of the braid, and it just pretty much came natural. Like, you can't even tell where I added the hair at. It's different on each piece. Each braid itself has different amounts and different strands of feed-in. So I just basically went with the flow, but I think that it came out really pretty. And I also have my beads, and they're probably not all the same length, but like I always say, if you're paying that much attention to me, something is wrong with you. Should nobody be paying that much attention to me? You should be looking at my parts. You should be looking at how uneven my hair is. Mind your business. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Spin around one more time. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel, and like and share. Thank you guys for watching.